How do muscles grow? That is a question that many people ask, and I will answer it. When you lift weights or engage in any form of strength training, something remarkable happens inside your body. It all begins with a signal sent from your brain, traveling down your spinal cord and reaching the muscles you're about to work. This signal, called a neural impulse, instructs your muscles to contract or expand, depending on the movement you're performing. At first, it seems like a simple process. Your brain says, move, and your muscles respond. But behind the scenes, a fascinating series of events is taking place. As your muscles contract to lift exercise, they're working harder during typical daily movements. The force required to move an external load forces your muscle fibers to stretch and contract in ways they aren't used to. Now, here's where the magic happens. This intense physical stretch leads to tiny injuries within your muscle fibers. While this might sound bad and alarming, these small tears are actually the key to building strength and muscle growth. In fact, these microscopic tears are an essential part of the muscle building process. As your muscles undergo these small injuries, they begin to signal your body that something needs to be repaired. The muscle fibers release a special molecule known as cytokines. Think of cytokines as little messages sent out by your muscles, urgently calling for help. Cytokines are part of the immune system's toolkit, and when they're released, they send signals to your immune system, telling it there's damage that needs to be fixed. The immune system responds by sending a flood of repair cells to the area of injury. These cells, known as macrophages, essentially clean up the damaged tissue. They remove any debris from the tiny tears and clear the way for new tissue to form. But their role doesn't stop there. They also help promote the healing process by releasing growth factors, which kickstart the regeneration of muscle tissue. This whole process is critical because once the damaged muscle fibers are repaired, they're not just restored to their original state, they're actually stronger than they were before. This phenomenon is what allows your muscles to adapt to the stress you place on them. Over time, with regular strength training, your muscles become better at handling the strain, which is why you can progressively lift heavier weights or perform more reps. But here's the catch. Muscle growth doesn't happen during the workout. It happens afterward, during your rest, sleep, and recovery periods. You see, after you've stressed your muscles and caused those microscopic tears, your body gets to work repairing and rebuilding them. This is why adequate recovery time, sleep, rest days, proper nutrition is crucial for muscle growth. If you don't give your muscles the time they need to recover, the rebuilding process slows down and muscle fibers can't fully strengthen. During recovery, the muscle fibers that have been repaired are actually thicker and more durable than before. This is what allows you to lift heavier weights over time and progressively increase your strength. In fact, each time you put your muscles to the limit, you're encouraging them to adapt and grow. But how does the body know how to make muscle fibers thicker and stronger? This process involves an incredible mechanism called muscle protein synthesis. After your workout, your body starts creating new proteins to build the muscle tissue. These proteins are woven into the fibers, making them denser and better equipped to handle future stress. This is why protein intake after workout is so important. It provides the building blocks your body needs to repair and grow muscle tissue. Interestingly, the process of muscle growth isn't just about strength. It's also about muscle endurance. The more you lift or the more repetitions you perform, the more energy your muscles use. As you work through sets of squats, deadlifts, or bench presses, you're not just tearing muscle fibers, you're also training your body to use energy more efficiently, which allows you to keep going for longer periods. Your muscles adapt by increasing the number of mitochondria, the energy powerhouses in each muscle cell, which is why endurance training can make you feel less fatigued over time. And that is how muscles grow. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and comment muscle so I know that you've watched to the end. Bye.